Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm back. Hope everybody's having a good day, a good week. It's almost Friday. Woohoo! So I know I've been MIA. If you follow my Instagram, you will see that I have been on vacation. I've been doing traveling, which has been absolutely amazing. But I'm back now, so we can get right back into the groove of things. I did think about once or twice while I was away doing a video. I did think about it, but just in between what I was doing and traveling, getting a video out was a little bit harder than I thought it would be. So maybe on the next trip, you never know, I might put out something on my next venture or next travels, so we'll see. But I am back and I'm glad to be back. I hope you all are still with me. I hope you all are still interested in seeing the content that I have to post and things like that. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this curly bun on old curls, old wash and go, whatever you want to call it, keep on watching. Hey guys, so what you will need for this style is your wide tooth comb to smooth out any tangles you may have while you're doing your bun, a brush to smooth everything down, an edge brush to lay those edges. Yes, that is optional. If you don't like to lay your edges, you don't have to. Some hairpins, a couple of scrunchies, and a spray bottle with water in it, or watering conditioner or product, or whatever you like to do. So I'm just taking out the old bun that I had in my hair. And you guys, my hair is so old, it is lifeless and just dull. And I start off by misting my hair with water all around. This is probably about a week or so, maybe longer, a week old wash and go. Towards the end of my wash and goes, or right around the time they start to get old, I start to just do upstyles and updos. That way I'm not just automatically washing my hair so much as soon as my curls are starting to get old. I stretch it out a little bit longer by doing upstyles and mostly like buns and things like that. So after I mist my hair with water, I go in with my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. It's my absolute favorite. So I go in with that next. As you can see, I was struggling with opening up the top. So I just get a little bit of gel and I just rub it between my palms. And I start smoothing the gel into my hair with my hands. All over the back, the sides, the front. Just smoothing it in all over my hair. And as I've said before, I'm not a specific amount girl. I just get however much I feel like I need. If I need to get more, I will. And I'm just showing how well I'm smoothing the gel into my hair all around. Then after that, I go in with my brush, smoothing through all of the areas that I just applied gel to in an upwards motion with my brush, laying everything down. And I'm not worried about this bun being super duper perfect because I am going to be washing my hair tomorrow, but I still have to look decent for the things I have to do today, right? So I'm taking my wide tooth comb after I've sprayed a little bit more water on there just to get some of the tangles out so it won't interfere with how sleek I can get my bun. So just detangling a little bit there in the back, smoothing through again with my brush. Alright, and then I just gather my hair all up in one bunch while at the same time still smoothing everything through with my hands and gathering everything together. Whew, we know how that can make your arms so tired. Y'all know. Then I just take my ponytail holder, scrunchie, whatever you like to call that, and I'm just going to wrap it around my hair a couple of times. I don't do my buns or ponytails too tight. That can cause damage. So I'm just going to do a half bun right now while I work on the rest of my hair. and I get my water. I mist around a little bit, keep my hair nice and moist so it's easy to maneuver my hair in the direction I want it to go. Then I get my edge brush. I get a little bit of gel on my edge brush, and I just begin smoothing down those flyaways or any curls or anything that might be sticking out in the back. In the back there, as you can see, I have curls sticking out of areas that are already smoothed down. I like to call those puckles. So I have a little bit of puckles in the back. Don't worry, those will be nice and smoothed down later on, and you'll see that. And I did have a little bit of a bump up towards my bun, so I just take a hairpin and I pin that area of hair down so it stays laid down. And now moving on to my edges and my baby hair. It's pretty simple. I don't do anything extra or extravagant with my edges or baby hair. I just take my edge brush, get a little bit of gel, pull out my baby hairs, and smooth my edges a little bit more, and that's pretty much it. I just like everything to look pretty much natural, and I don't like to overdo it with my bun personally. And same for the other side, just pulling out my baby hairs, smoothing those down, and smoothing my edges. And again, this is optional. I know some people don't like to lay their edges. I like to because I like how it looks, so to each its own. I also like to have one little curl hanging down on each side of my bun, so I just get a little bit of gel to smooth down a curl on one side, and then the same for the other side. I think it just adds a little cute look to your bun. And now moving on to the actual styling of the bun. I take it out of the half bun, and now it's just in the one ponytail. Then for a little moisturization, I get my OGX Argan Oil of Morocco Weightless Healing Dry Oil. It's a lightweight oil, as I've said before. Heavier products and oils weigh down my hair, so I spray just a little bit in my palms and just rub it through my ponytail, and I just begin doing one big twist and start wrapping and forming the bun to my liking. And again, some people may be wondering why I didn't do more or put more things in my hair. This is just a one-day thing. I am going to be shampooing and conditioning my hair tomorrow, so I've been bunning it, and I have been adding in other products since my wash and go has gotten old and I'm still wearing it. But this is down to the final straw. The last time I'll be doing a bun on this wash and go. So today's the last day of it, so I wasn't worried about making it too perfect. And so yeah, once I've gotten the shape of the bun that I like, I begin pinning it down wherever I feel the need to add in hairpins. I just pin down wherever I need to. Then I just get a little bit more gel and on my fingertips and just smooth it over any flyaways or curls that may be sticking out anywhere. And I go right behind it with my brush for one last sleek look, one last smooth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much. Bye.